Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to change the jaws on the Charnwood Viper 2. Don't know if that'll still show up after all it is. On the Charnwood Viper 2 little 95mm chuck, I think it is. Got some pen jaws on at the moment. Want to go back to the standard medium jaws for a bowl. I did shell out a little extra and got this cracking little storage box for everything. It's really good. Don't worry, what you can see isn't rust, it's kind of Paducah stuff. I've done a lot of Paducah at the moment, and it just looks like rust. So basically you start off by using your Allen key or hex key, whatever you want to call it. Go around, undo your nuts. All the parts are numbered. See, that's a number 1 there. There's a number 1 on the chuck. Number 1 on the chuck. And as long as you keep them all linked up together, I believe it promotes even wear and repeatable actions and that kind of thing. So yeah, I'll get on with this and speed it up a bit so we can all watch me working in super speed. Right, as you can see, the chuck is now bare. This is how all the mechanisms work, and then that rotates the screw, and they all come in at the same time, which for the price is absolutely brilliant. So the next one is to grab your jaws. That one is number 2. So locate number 2 on here, slide it onto the little locating strip that goes into that bit there. Drop a little bolt into the front or the back, hold it level as best you can. Do it up a little bit, but still a little bit of movement in there, and then do the back. And once you're happy that all that is centered, knack it up and tighten it down. There we go. As always with threaded parts, don't over tighten. Number 3. There we go. All done, all sorted. These jaws are amazing. There's a beautiful little taper on the outside and the inside for gripping tendons or mortices. This one, the Viper 2, comes with a step-down adapter from 1x8, I think it is, on the outside to 1/2x16 or something on the inside, whatever. It's one of the standard fittings anyway. Yeah, So that's it. You just screw it onto your jaws, screw it onto your lathe as normal. Job's a good one. Nice short video for today. Catch you later.